Hi guys, so guys, today being on a Saturday, I'm going to remove my artificial dreadlocks. For over 10 months now, they have been serving me. So today guys, I'm going to remove them. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to see the outcome of my hair, the growth, everything. So let me take you along guys, and you'll see how to remove. Like, it's possible, most people ask me whether my hair will become like dreads or what. These are just artificial. It's so easy to remove them, okay, with the right people. So I'll be taking you along the salon. I've been doing all the retouch and everything. So yeah guys, come along with us and you will see the outcome of my hair. No cutting, no nothing. Yeah, it won't cut my hair, that's what I meant. So yeah guys, let's go.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La, 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 la.
Guys, I'm back home and this is, look at my hair. I'm loving it. Yeah, I just got home actually. I didn't manage, the rain was coming and I had to rush home. Yes, it was raining in town. Taraji behind the scenes. Yeah, so it was raining, the rain was coming to me like, oh my, but I had to rush home and this is my hair. What do you think? What do you think? And I made Taraji's hair actually yesterday. So guys, yesterday's was Taraji's hair. I will go around, mama, slowly. Yeah, I mixed pink and purple, and that's her hair. So behind here, they are like braids and some lines. This is the work. Should I open guys a salon because I'm good at this? Look. And it was my first time using the brains to do these lines. I was just practicing with my long nails and it worked. What do you think? What do you think of mommy's hair?
Smart.
It's smart.
Yeah.
Do I look different? And what about your hair?
Smart.
See the difference between my compliment and hers. So yeah guys, that's it. So I see you tomorrow guys, and I'm sure I'll be like, I want to another style to make my hair, so I'll be looking for that because it can't stay like this for long. It will shrink actually, and this is just straightening, not full blow dry. Yeah, so guys, I see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good morning guys, it's morning here in Kenya, Africa, and guys, it's a beautiful morning. The sun is up today. It's not raining. It didn't rain at night as well, but yeah. So guys, as we got from the salon, so we woke up. I had to do my hair like this for easier sleeping, and you know our African hair cause what hair, our African hair, it shrinks when you just leave it like that. So yeah guys, so today we are cooking breakfast, and we have so many things happening today. Hubby is leaving us again. Yeah, so and we are going somewhere with Taraji, which I will be taking you along, guys. So it's like spend a weekend with us. What goes on? So yeah, guys, so let me take you along through the day, and I hope you enjoyed this video till the end. So yeah, guys, and like thank you so much for the love you have shown me for the couple of days. I know it's views are not coming like we expect, but we are so grateful for the people who stick around, for the subscribers who are coming in. I have so many subscribers coming each and every day. I appreciate each and one of you guys. So yeah, we grow every day, guys. So yeah, guys, let me take you along.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
Guys, it's around 2 p.m. Actually it's 3 p.m. and apparently my hubby left us because he was a bit late. He was supposed to drop us at his workplace, then we take a bullet to where we are going, where I'm taking you guys, because we are not going the same route. He's off to work, and as we are going to have some fun. Yeah, so yeah, guys, not just me and Taraji will meet other people. So yeah, guys, so that's what's up. And he saw that every time you wait for me, you always will be late. So he was late, and he had to go. So yeah, guys, so I'm trying to prepare. Look at my hair, guys. I look like a real African woman. So yeah, guys, so let me prepare, and I need to hold this hair cause it's so hot. It's so hot. I can't manage like this, and it will definitely shrink. Yeah, our African hair, you guys. So yeah, guys, so let me do that. We prepare, then we take a ball to Lavington. That's where we are going. So yeah, so let's go. Guys, I forgot how to even fold my hair. 10 months with artificial locks. Hi, say hi, mom.
Hi.
Look at your hair.
So cute.
So cute. Yeah. Oh my god, what did I do?
Starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
We are already here. We are eating starters, appetizers. So guys, these are just appetizers. We came at Chinese restaurant. Okay, we were coming to Chinese restaurant here at Lavington. This is where we are going to celebrate someone for his birthday. You will see them, guys. So yeah, we are waiting for the rest, but for now we are waiting for startup. We need to order something because we are so hungry. Yeah, and I don't want to reckon so much because of the copyright. Yeah, the music here is too loud. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Guys, look at this appetizer. We are just ordering few things, waiting for the main guests. Look at it. Guys, our food is here. I forgot even to film the first starter, chicken. And there is more over there. are you saying? Say thank you to Uncle. Wow. Let's go. Can you hear the sounds? Guys, we are home. It's 9. You can hear the sounds of the frogs. It was raining. The rains are here. So, let's get home. Just Taraj and me. We were dropped off though. My sister-in-law dropped us off as they went to their home. So let's go. Are you happy, Mama? We are carrying gift. We have so many gifts from the USA. Let's go open the gifts. Guys, we are home. Mama, why is your nini on the floor? Your sweater? Hey. We are bearing gift here. Taraj has her own bag. So this bag, actually we got it from the hotel, the Chinese restaurant. If you are familiar with that restaurant, like they give you gifts when you get there. And we got the last gift, guys. They have the best gift. Even this shawl. You see this one? We got it from the restaurant. Every time you go there, you get a gift. Yeah. So
Can open.
okay, I can. This is this is a lipstick, imagine, from the restaurant. Do you want to Susu?
No.
Okay. Guys, this is how the lipstick looks like. Let me see your lips. Let me see now. That's enough. See it. Let me see.
No, you make a mess of my lips.
Hey.
It's bad manners.
It's bad manners to do what? Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys. So Taraji got this gift. It's a Barbie doll from her uncles from the USA. Yeah, she has people from there. You know. They're so cute. And then what do we have here? And my babe. This is for my baby. Ish. Look at this, guys. Oh, Daddy. Imagine. From uncle. Yeah, these are the gift from the US.
No, that is not.
And what about mommy? Let's see mommy's gift. Oh my gosh. You guys. This sprays, like we like always wait for them. They are so long lasting, and you know, oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. Yeah, those are our gift. If each and everyone has their gift. This is for my babe, this is for me, and this one is for Taraji. What else can you ask for? Yeah, tell uncle thank you.
Thank you, Uncle.
You are happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the best. And thank you, auntie, too. Yeah, and this is our cake. We just got it. It was his birthday, so yeah, we got some cakes. So guys, we just need to freshen up, and yeah, we are so tired. Tara just played a lot, and it was like a dinner because we went there a bit late, like 5. So yeah, it was just lovely. We are so happy. So yeah, guys, we had an amazing time. Although my hubby was not there, he missed a lot, and I missed him a lot. Babe, I miss you so much. But you have to work for the family, so we are so proud of you. So yeah, so yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Until my next one, bye.